Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. No chance of precipitation or lightning today. Temperatures will be mild in the mid-70s, so a really nice day shaping up for us before we have moisture coming in from what will be the remnants of Sally moving south of our area and bringing that moisture into our region tomorrow, giving us a good chance of some rain showers as well as periods of heavy rain overnight Thursday into Friday. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 13,900 feet. Winds out of the easterly component in the low levels for light around 8 knots and becoming southeasterly from 3 to 6,000 feet, then southerly and fairly light in that level or those levels, and then becoming more southwesterly to westerly. We get up in the mid levels and then seeing a peak wind this morning 25,000 feet out of the west-northwest at 20 knots. Our current surface analysis shows an area high pressure off the eastern seaboard along New England, the coastline into the Atlantic that's giving us these nice conditions. We have Hurricane Sally across the deep south of the Gulf Coast that's made landfall this morning in Gulf Shores, Alabama, continuing to move right along the Alabama coastline as well as the Florida Panhandle. It's going to be moving inland across Alabama, Georgia, and then as a remnant low across South Carolina, North Carolina, but with the moisture moving towards our region and in addition to a frontal boundary moving through our area, we'll have those chances of rain showers starting tomorrow. So taking a look at our current visible imagery, you can see this hazy look or this milky look to the sky that is due to the smoke or residual smoke from the fires in the western portion of the United States making the whole way across the country and giving us that milky sunshine for today. Also seeing some lower level cloud cover around 3,000 to 4,000 feet, and that'll be the case for today. We'll see that cloud cover around 3,000 to 4,000 feet, broken at times for today. So taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model, here's this afternoon on the drive reflectivity. Nothing in the way of the forecast or forecasted to be in our area until tomorrow afternoon. Here's noon tomorrow, seeing that rainfall moving in, and then for the evening hours, possibly some heavier rainfall moving through. This is 20 local or 8 p.m. on Thursday evening, and then continuing overnight on Thursday into Friday. Here's Friday at 6 local. You can see some rain showers continuing, and then finally moving east of the area in general by late Friday morning into Friday afternoon. We should see some breaks in the rainfall. So taking a look at the European model and how that's playing out for the next several days, here's Hurricane Sally across the Gulf Coast moving into Alabama and then through Georgia for tomorrow, but in combination with this frontal boundary moving through our region, we'll have moisture overriding the area, giving us a good chance of rain showers tomorrow. Some of that heavy at times, especially Thursday night into Friday. You can see the low passing south of our region, but continuing with this area high pressure pressing in from the north, as well as the low to the south. We'll have breezy conditions developing Friday with those continued scattered to isolated rain showers for Friday afternoon. And then finally, this area low pressure, the remnants of Sally will move off the coast, just providing us with some breezy conditions for Saturday. Cooler weather as we'll have a large area high pressure of Canadian origin moving into the region, and that'll provide us with those cooler temperatures as well as breezy conditions. Temperatures only peaking out in the mid-60s on Saturday as well as Sunday. We'll see dry conditions for the weekend and early next week. It looks like right now a possibility that we do see something coming in on Monday and Tuesday right now, as we have a deep upper level trough. It's going to be moving into the region, and that's actually going to be forcing what is Hurricane Teddy towards Bermuda for Sunday into Monday. We'll just have to watch this trough, whether we have another area of low pressure, non-tropical in origin, develop along the coastline and giving us rainfall chances for Monday and Tuesday. Right now, looks like that is a slim chance of occurring, but we'll continue to monitor it. So taking a look at our current radar imagery just real quick across the region, not seeing anything across the area, and I'm not expecting anything. So For our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board, no chances of precipitation or lightning, a high of 76 degrees, a low of 64 tonight, southeasterly to south-southeasterly winds, 7 to 12 knots. Today becoming south overnight of 4 to 8. We'll have VFR conditions today throughout the day, ceilings possibly anywhere from about 3,500 to 4,000 feet during the afternoon. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Thursday through Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then overcast, rain showers likely by mid-afternoon, a high of 77 degrees. Models are coming into better agreement that we'll see that rainfall tomorrow and looking like about 80 to 90% chance of that occurring. Thursday night, overcast, rain likely. Some of the rain could be heavy at times, a low of 66. Once again, about an 80 to 90% chance of rainfall. And for Friday, overcast, rain likely early, then remaining overcast, a chance of light rain and drizzle. Breezy late, a high of 69 degrees. Looking like those rain shower chances are going to be around 60% after 8 local Friday morning. Thereafter, into the early afternoon hours should taper off as that system moves off to the east, but continuing with those rain shower chances in the morning, especially on Friday. We'll see those winds possibly gusting over 25 knots for Friday afternoon, and with this rainfall, could see ceilings or visibilities below 1 mile and ceilings below 500 feet. So taking a look at the next 7 days, we're going to have temperatures in the 70s today and tomorrow, and then 60s for highs for Friday through Tuesday, with that good chance of rainfall on Thursday and Friday, breezy conditions, and mostly cloudy for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures fairly cool for this time of year, below normal by about 5 degrees, and that's going to put us in the mid-60s for highs and then upper 60s for Tuesday of next week. As I mentioned, question mark on Monday or Tuesday of next week of whether we have another system moving into the region with a low developing along the Carolina coast. Right now looks unlikely, and that is why I kept the forecast dry. So taking a quick look at the tropics and Teddy as our next possible hurricane to affect Bermuda. You can see Teddy is a 100-mile-an-hour hurricane, minimum pressure of 976, moving northwest at 12 miles an hour. Taking a look at the National Hurricane Track, puts Bermuda right in the crosshairs of Teddy on Monday, early Monday morning, and moving that system through Bermuda on Monday morning. It will be a strengthening hurricane forecast to become a major hurricane, so at least Category 3 by Thursday morning through Sunday. So it will be a strong hurricane moving towards Bermuda, possibly weakening some as it approaches its closest proximity to Bermuda on Monday morning. So taking a look at the European ensembles, here is Bermuda right here. You can see most of the ensemble members are just east of Bermuda, but there has been a significant shift to the west, including Bermuda in the tracks the last 24 hours. So we'll continue to monitor this forecast. It is a tricky forecast as we have an upper level trough, as I mentioned, moving into the east on Monday and Tuesday, and that's going to direct exactly where Teddy goes if it is able to affect Bermuda or move off to the east. Hopefully it does trend to the east and not towards Bermuda the next several days. That'll complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing. We'll continue to provide updates for Bermuda, and I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.